Hi, my name is Michael Hua. I'm the pharmacist in charge at Harbor Compounding. Today we're going to go over directions on how to use either a topi-click device or a ticker. So you're going to get either of these devices. I'll go over each in detail. If you have any questions, we recommend you call Harbor Compounding. We're going to start off with your topi-click device. The first thing you're going to notice is there is a hard cap on the device. Prior to use, what we're going to have you do is we're going to have you wash your hands with soap and water. We want to keep things as clean as possible. Then you're going to remove the hard cap. And what you're going to find is there's a little hole on top. And how you're going to apply the cream is you are going to turn the device clockwise from the bottom. And each click that you hear for this device will provide a 1/4 gram of cream or 0.25 mLs. So what we're going to do now is these topi-click devices are not primed. So we encourage you to prime it. The first time the cream comes out, that means your medication is now ready to use. We put extra in there to account for that. So you are free to wipe away that first click as excess. If you notice, we are going to turn that first click of cream. It is now loaded and it is ready to be used. If you click again, another amount of cream comes out. Now you have used 1/2 gram of cream. You will apply this to the area where you are using it. For most patients, it'll be some place like your inner thigh, your inner arm, even the back of your knees is a great area to apply the cream. Once you apply the cream, you do want to put the cap back on securely and store it properly. I'll put this over here. I'm going to introduce the ticker next. It has the same mechanism. The ticker is a more fine device in terms of the amount it will dispense. You will also remove the cap. There will also be a hole. Cream will come up through that hole, and each rotation will dispense 0.05 mLs worth of cream. So you're able to get more precise dosing, but all the things that I've talked about will apply. Again, if you want to make sure you prime it, you're going to keep ticking until the first amount of cream comes out. And now that it has, it's ready to be used. You want to also make sure to put the cap back on securely after use, after each and every use. Some tips about your creams that you might not be aware of. If you're going to be very active, if you're going to take a shower, if you're going to go to the gym, make sure you don't apply the creams beforehand. You will wash it off. That said, on the flip side, it is removed by water very well. So if you're going to use your fingers to rub in the cream, make sure to wash your hands and your fingertips so you don't transfer the cream to those that you love. You want to keep the creams on at least for a minimum of 2 hours, preferably 4 hours, to let the medication absorb. Also, you also want to let the creams dry prior to put on clothes. And lastly, you want to make sure you rotate your application sites at least every month. Thank you so much for using Harbor Compounding. Please feel free to give us a call anytime you have questions.